Good morning, everyone. It's Linda at Linda's Loft, and I have been so busy the last couple days. I'm getting in all my Easter stuff, and I got 11 boxes. Now, when you open a box, there could be 4 other boxes in there, or there could be like 12 boxes in there. So I've been unpacking for it's been Christmas at Linda's Loft for the last couple days. And so I just wanted to show you a quick overview of what a mess everything is, and then I'm going to hop back on when I get all my Easter displays up, which I don't know if I can get it done today, but I just want to give you a quick sneak peek. So here we go. This is just going to be a little, let me turn this around. Look, I got these little plaid bunnies, these little vases, the hurricane lamps. Those come in 3 sizes, large, medium, and small. I have these blankets. I got more of these in. I don't have those marked yet. But we got chicks. We got shelf sitters, big ones, small ones, yoga bunnies, kind of Victorian looking bunnies. We got a pussy willow wreath. Oop. And some things I've gone ahead and put out. We got these mossy green bunnies. We got some Easter gnomes. Look how cute this guy is. Isn't he cute? And then we got rainbow boots. These are a vase. I'm going to do some bouquets in there so you can see how to do that. And then I got some of these replica of antique paddles. Those would be cute hanging in your cabin. And then I got these little ones down here. And these you could just hang on your wall. They're cute. That'd be really cabinish. I got these coffee mugs that say, "With God, all things are possible." And I thought those would be nice for Easter and also for Mother's Day. What else? Oh, here's another gnome. Oh, that's the same one. Look at these little bunnies. Hear no evil, speak no evil, see no evil. And I got 3 of these in, and I went ahead and did a bouquet in it. So let me show you this really quick. This is a little metal container, and it has a lid. I mean, not a lid, a handle. So you could use these in the summertime for your picnic area if you're doing an outside barbecue, and you could put your forks in one, knives in one, spoons in another. But what I did was I took a cloth napkin and I put it inside this and stuck some flowers in it. Isn't that cute? I love that idea. So I did this one in all the beige and cream colors, which I love. And then I did one over here in the window. I stuck it in the window. And this one's green. I don't know if you could see it with the glare. And that has some picks and flowers and stuff in it. That one's kind of green and purpley. Here's another little gnome. He says, "Happy Easter." He's so cute. Here's a rabbit candy dish. Or you could use it for hors d'oeuvres. You could put, peanuts and things like that. I just threw some eggs in there so you could see it. And we got this shelf. You can shelf sit this like I did on the hearth, or you can hang it on the wall. There's a little thing to hang it. So we have joy, hope, and love. And then we have these beautiful silver bunnies. And I got a bunch of these in for Easter. It's some scripture quotes. And you go around here. Here's some little tiny little rain boots. Those are 4 inches tall. They're really cute. So those would be cute to put some little picks in. Here's some more of the "Hear no evil, see no evil." And I got a bunch of these little glass bunnies. They're ceramic, and they're pink and green and yellow and white and purple and blue. So I'm going to take all this Easter stuff. Here's one of those black silverware container things. You could put a bottle of wine in there. You could put, I just love taking a napkin and just put the center of the napkin in there, and then throw some flowers in it. So it's such a fun idea, and they're so versatile. You could do so many things with them. You could use them for silverware in the summertime, and I only have 3 of them. So if anybody wants them, they need to come in and get them. And I'm not going to be able to get any more of those. And there's some more of the paddles that are tall. Here's another one of the scripture. So that's pretty much it. That's all the stuff that we got. And it doesn't seem like that's 11 boxes full of stuff, but it is. It's a lot. And I got lemons, and I have other stuff that I haven't shown you yet. But today is the fun part. I got it all unpacked, all priced, and today I get to start designing. I'm going to put together my Easter hearth now that St. Patrick's Day is over, and it's going to be so much fun. So stay tuned. I'll at least hop on and show you one of my hearths, because I know I'll get that done for sure today. And tonight, I'm going to be having a class on the bracelets at 6 o'clock. It's $25. So if anybody wants to come, I only have one person in class now. But if anybody wants to come and take that class tonight, that'd be great. Talk to you soon. Take care.